son, it's a smooth ride right now. You got your glasses. You got your glasses. Yeah, this is a smooth ride right now. Following this boat. Man, that sailboat over there like the Titanic, man. It been down there for years. If you want to, we could go over there and go scuba diving. And we could scuba dive down there. Yep, scuba dive right down there. And you could and go right up in the sailboat. Nah, man, we gotta go take some lessons. Me and you, we gonna go.
I just wanted to get in the water.
Me and you gonna go take scuba diving lessons, man.
I'm just wanting to get in the water.
And check this out, man. We're gonna take scuba diving lessons, and then we're gonna come anchor the boat right back over there where that sailboat at, and we're gonna scuba dive in there and might find some treasure. I'm telling you, man, we might find some treasure in there. We gotta go take some scuba diving classes though. First. Yeah. Hey, son, I want you to buy me one of these nice houses out here on the river, all right? You gonna get real big on YouTube one day. Yeah. You gonna get real big on YouTube one day. And I need you to buy me one of these houses on the river. So I could just park my boat right out here. It's probably gonna cost us about $2 million. That ain't gonna be nothing to you though. Once you get real big on YouTube, that ain't gonna be nothing to you. $2 million, that ain't gonna be nothing. You gonna be like, $2 million, Dad, that's it? That's all you want? And I'm gonna be like, yep, this all I want right here, man. I don't want nothing else. And you gonna...
That house, look at the stairs.
Which one? That house over here.
Right here.
This one. That's a big boat right there, ain't it? Big leg.
Yeah. I could kind of see it inside.
You can see inside a little bit.
Yeah, they got those like lights.
Do it look awesome in there?
Look, I see like a little tree.
You see a little tree in there, like a Christmas tree?
Yeah. Like a real tree like those trees over there.
Man, that's awesome. It's awesome, guys. Hey, we right here by the lighthouse, guys.
That's a...
That's the inlet. The inlet is north of us right now.
Can you go in the inlet?
You want to go in the inlet?
Yeah.
You want to go in the ocean?
Yeah. No.
Deep out in the ocean?
Yeah, maybe. I don't want in the middle. Yeah, maybe. No.
Deep out in the ocean.
When I almost can't even see it, yeah. I don't want to.
You don't want to, Big Legend?
No, I'm scared because
You too scared? You already in the ocean right now.
Yeah, big legend.
Look, we out here on the water. What's the difference? Huh?
On the water.
You would just rather be on this water right here, the river water. You don't want to go out in the ocean water?
No.
Come on, Big Legend.
When we was with Captain Marvel and we was out in the ocean, remember?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, we was out in the ocean and you wasn't scared.
That was awesome.
Is it no Captain?
Big Legend, the boat police got somebody over there. The boat police out here right now, guys. Nah, he over there. You don't see the lights flashing over there? You see the the lights flash, and that's the boat police.